We let me just quickly do a little that. Do I post my Twitch link? I don't even know if I should. Okay, short lore stuff, yippee, and post. Okay, oh, hi Tsuki, what's up? Hi, what's up? What's up? Okay, my mic is working. My mic. Yeah, good night, man. Good night. Good night, night. Let me check my Minecraft sounds work. I will. Don't stay up too long. Ooh. That's crazy. My character is eepy. Spot. I want to go back to sleep. Why is that just broken?
I can't hear you. I am serious. I can't hear you.
We got an issue.
What's the issue?
Can you say something? No, okay. I still hear you.
Wait, hold on.
Okay,
Before I start lore, I just need real quick to piss behind the tree.
Who needs to piss? I came back to I need to piss behind the tree. What the fuck?
Are you live right now, Ollie?
I'm live.
Hello, Ollie viewers.
Yeah.
Hello. We do not need to piss behind.
Hello, Ollie viewers.
Oh boy. Yeah.
False alarm. It can wait till later.
Okay.
So I was transported to like a box, like a black box. Like this black box, like from the deer church into a black box, and this black box had like stuff like only tech would know about, like mysterious things like only Tequila would have, like a Night Stalker skull.
Hey, Lex.
Hello.
Yeah,
And,
so you were transported to the box?
Hello. So, what box? Oh yeah, the box. So, in the box, there was like a mechanical thing, and it like told me things that about the eggs.
My volume was broken for Minecraft because I had it up for recording. Egg lore. Fuck.
I think we could get the eggs soon, but you gotta follow me. Let's go.
Okay.
What?
Where are we going?
Guys, I just woke up.
To where?
Where?
I just woke up. What's happening?
I have no idea.
So much thing happening.
God fearing American.
Market. Oh, it's here.
Oh, but I don't see anything different here, apart of
Ew,
from
blood.
this.
Don't touch it.
You know, you like my storage. You like my little. Look, I am a coffee shop girl. You know, like in the coffee shop when. No, it's I own this.
My tea's better.
Look. I
I've been
have here a
drinking
tea
all
shop
the
as
morning.
well. I have a tea shop as well.
Lex, you wanna know what's funny? A few days ago, A certain individual kidnapped me here, but then was literally only able to keep me captive for 10 minutes. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you more next time.
Wait.
Whoops.
Wait, hold on. What? You were kidnapped?
Oh,
Where? When?
No, we won't talk about it right now. What, you said there was some other stuff happening right now?
Oh, yes. Could you stop sharing a single brain cell?
I am sorry, but this is a very important moment for us as well. We are finally not fighting, so I think, okay, yes, let's go. That is so sad. Why would you do such a thing?
Well, damn.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, so where is the
Wait, so
mechanic thing?
What's happened?
Oh, it's not here. Hold on.
Oh,
Let's
yeah,
follow the
blood.
blood.
Blood, right, right.
Blood follow. Follow blood. Blood.
Oh. Do you think it might be the ex blood? Their heart. Are they hard?
Other than like
If so,
the eggs
then
being
the
kidnapped,
eggs-
I have no idea what has been happening on this fucking island.
Yeah.
Oh, you are
Oh my,
freebies
oh
then,
my
so
lord.
doesn't really matter. You're here
What
now.
is?
You're
What
staying
is
here,
this?
no matter what.
Yeah.
What is what?
God,
What
he's
is
so
This place. No, this place
Hi, Lex.
isn't. This place is.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so.
Oh, head inside. Now.
Just...
No, I stand. I can esperar. Okay.
You're just going over the blood. Do
So
you
this
not like
place is
stepping
where
over
we
it?
had the murder
Do you just not like
marketplace
it?
party.
Don't like stepping over it?
What is this?
Fine.
I don't want to be stepping on unknown fucking
There's a
substance.
book here. It says,
Edge.
I'm
Okay.
I'm trying to help. Please listen to me once more. I already led Kiwi here, so now I am reaching to whoever is willing to listen. Your eggs are safe, but it will not stay that way for much longer. These eggs are running out of time. I do not know how much longer they have before these workers start to get bored of their fun. Please, I need you to trust me. Follow these cords. Find the information.
Wait.
The passport
Zero,
is
zero,
007. Be quick. Be
5652.
sweet.
Oh, that's close to
Do
here.
not get caught.
5652-33316. 5652-33316. 5652-33316. 5652-33316.
Does it sound familiar, Lex?
That's one of the
Fuck.
workers.
Who's a moderator in my chat right now? Please, fuck. Shit.
007 is one of the workers.
Never mind, I banned the person myself. I'm so cracked.
5652-33316.
316.
Okay, so let's go there. It's near, no?
5652.
It has to be here.
It's nearby, yeah.
Yeah.
Ow. Oh, hey,
Oh,
Ryan.
Ryan. Hello. Hola, Ryan.
Hi.
Yeah, we are following this because maybe they.
Onward!
We just found something that might get help us bring the X back.
Oh,
We
sorry.
don't know from who it is. We don't know who it is, but I mean.
Fine, I'll clean it up there. Ah, you stepped on it.
Motherfucker. Piece of shit.
Oh, dungeon. No, I'm stuck.
5, was it 5652?
Smash. 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 Smash.
5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5. What the fuck? Where are the others? They just haven't. Yeah. Good job, Lex, for announcing that. Ow.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, you just chose that method. Alright. Pretty convenient entrance, but. Like over there, but you just
Hole.
chose to jump.
I found hole. Was hole not good enough? My bad.
It's.
Door.
Yeah, there's a door. Needs a
Guys!
password. Anyone know how to?
Guys, just drop down. Just drop. I dislike how that sounds.
That was close. 1, 2, 3.
Need them to drop down on this lava. It breaks their fall, I swear! Oh.
Hey guys,
We are. Oh, look.
here's
Ollie,
I
you
think
find
Void
something.
I think Void just dug down over here. If you guys want to jump down
Who
here.
are you looking for?
We are looking for the eggs, Ryan. The eggs are not here. We don't know where the eggs
But
are.
I heard you mention a person.
Oh, you got water already. Let me fill bucket.
Lex behind.
Oh my god.
That's 1, 2. Where is?
Toma, Rian.
Who were you
Hola?
talking about, Toma?
I don't know who is the 007 person. I
It sounds
honestly don't know.
familiar though.
Oh, fuck.
Do you know something about that?
Edge. Edge.
Where is?
Edge.
Which worker would? Yeah, but which one? I can't remember right now. What?
Also the one who had Rigby's leg in their desk. Right? Ooh. Oh, I met up with a worker not long ago.
I mean, if you're talking about the
Right before.
leg in the desk, that was the purple one.
Nope.
What?
I got it from the source.
Did
I met up with a worker.
did
He was a happy worker.
did the leg get what? Because when I
000.
wait, is there some new developments in this? I've been in and out of sleep. I've been in and out of sleep.
Bad creeper.
Did he? What do you mean by you found leg? Elaborate. 'Cause from what I can remember, I found leg and I gave it to Rigby.
So one day, I was just wandering around my places, my
Like
usual
this.
places, right? My usual places.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I got a book saying to meet me a worker. They took me down below the Deer Church into their office. Introduced me as 000. Worker class D, I think.
Class D. Oh, okay. Interesting.
He liked Builder's Tea, and honestly, I like Builder's Tea too now. I gave him some avocado toast.
Yeah.
Anyway, he then led me around to an office for 007. And they had previous leg.
I went after Ryan because Ryan seemed to know a 007 guy, but then Ryan left.
Oh. That's interesting.
Edge! Edge!
Wait, so Lex, would it be the? You gotta give me a color, Lex. You gotta give me a color. If I only know the workers by colors. Oh.
The yellow
Oh.
one.
Oh. Okay.
Come.
Okay.
The 007
I'll
one
go
is the
back
yellow
up.
one. Oh my god.
I'll go back up.
I hate this guy.
Oh, yo, what?
There we
Whoa.
go.
Oh, Edge.
Okay.
Edge, Ryan left
Edge.
and said to not go near the cave.
Yeah,
Oh.
password Lex. What the fuck?
007, the password was 00. It was in the book.
Oh. Well, shit. I didn't read.
And where are we?
Oof. 007?
This one as well?
007.
Oh.
Oh.
Observation room. What?
This is definitely 007's office. He like worked.
I think that's just a thing with all of the workers.
There's 2 books here. And here with test trial 2.
Wings. Oh.
Rigby.
Still.
Oh my god, it's Rigby's floaty.
Rigby's first floaty.
Here is a
Wait,
message from
wait,
Rigby.
One of them. Is there more?
Is that... Are those Aurora's...
So
Where?
much
It was
is
from
Are those
Rigby.
Aurora's...
Okay,
Aurora's wings?
I think those, yes. And Arepita. This is Autumn's.
You guys.
Boiling water.
Look, y Arepita tiene un
No.
Number 4.
sombrero.
Number 3. Number 2.
Florecita.
Number 1. This is Rigby's. Let me see this.
Or is it at the wings?
Video footage. Fucking hell. Okay. Read the clipboard.
I read the clipboard. The
Oh,
clipboard
there's so
is...
much words. Oh, there's 5 pages. I haven't read it.
Madam Sinoch? So Sinoch is a girl?
Yeah, I think.
I'm back. I'm sorry I passed out.
Process elimination. That would be.
I think this is Arepita's writing. Because Arepita was talking a lot about saving Atom.
Video footage.
Photo evidence.
Wait. Bliss. I need to...
So many
There's-
words.
I need to go. I gotta pick something up from the store.
Video footage.
Necesito que irme.
Yeah. Adios.
Necesito. Adios, adios, adios.
If only I can put a
Test one,
video on.
specimen
friends.
00.
Let's go.
Adios, adios, adios.
6.
Adios, adios, adios.
Hug of temporary friends.
First
Only
phone
temporary.
Adios, adios, adios.
by her sibling. Testing against it, Adam was impressed by her stubbornness and put her to the test.
Oh, there's a camera, guys. Do you think they see?
Camera, take everything and go. Just take everything and go.
We take everything. Okay.
Take everything and go.
I will take Carapita's stuff.
Take anything that's valuable. Yeah, lava vision, fire resistance, and then when I was in Rigby's room, there was a lot of magma.
What are those? Flowers.
Quite concerning. I had stuff.
I will take this and this. I will.
This was our pizza.
¿Dónde? Where?
Number 5, number 6.
This is floor. Do you have any cage? I need to take this. It's an.
I don't think we're allowed
cages?
to take them.
Cages? Give me a second.
Don't we take everything and go?
Give me a
I
second.
think
I
we
don't
are
think we're allowed.
Yeah, I'm taking all the books. That's it. The books and reports and things
okay.
like that.
I was
When
thinking.
it comes to like personal items, When it comes to personal items, but I just take all books, reports, things like that. There's a book up here. Aww. Aww.
We shouldn't take the books either.
I mean, if there's a camera, they already know that we are
Don't take
here.
her further. We should let them.
So,
Okay, let me see which ones I have.
What if they come back here?
Number 4. Number
Whoever
3,
owns this place,
Number 2.
and they suspect something. What if we're making it worse just by being here?
Who knows? Okay, let me note down everything before I put things back to be safe. Just to be safe, note everything down. I'm taking this one.
I feel like I'm obligated to take. I'll keep them safe for their return. Oh, Lex, thank you.
then I want to take Florecita. Okay, Florecita is back. Florecita does not. Do you have cages?
This one was.
I don't want to leave her.
Toma, who are you a parent of?
Arepita. Here is Arepita sombrero and Florecita the pet.
Oh, alright. Do you have, diamonds?
Diamonds.
Yes.
How
For a
many
cage.
do you need?
52.
52 diamonds for. Oh, okay. Oh,
Diamonds?
I think I can make one. No, thank you.
I don't think we could take this. Nope, not possible.
You can't cage
Looks like
it?
it's stick there. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, then you need
Doesn't look like.
You can get
Caged by its
another.
owner.
You can get another cage. Here.
Caged by the owner.
There's an.
Lex is
There's,
saying,
Okay. No,
I believe
it's
in
okay,
Lex.
it's okay.
So, I don't think we could cage it.
There's another type
I
of
think
cage
you
if
should
really
take-
need it, take it.
Bro,
Del sombrero.
who's the care belonging to?
Maybe autumn. Oh. Oh,
These are autumn stuff.
thank you.
I have Rigby stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Thank you,
I don't
Lynx.
want to know. Fuck. No, that's one. I think this one is a big piece.
Yeah, we need to look at the videos.
Where's the fourth trial book?
I have it.
Okay.
It's Rigby's.
Can I borrow that real quick?
Yeah, let's leave this place. Maybe.
Maybe pass after this.
Wait, before you go. Wait,
Still here. Still
I need
here.
that book. Need that book.
Yeah, let's go watch it in a safe place here.
Ollie, I
maybe.
need that book. Ollie,
Which one?
for Rigby.
Rigby? Just type it. Over here. Take it.
You have it. Thank. Oh, thank you.
There's so many cameras here. I think we should go somewhere.
That's my question. Where do we go?
There's no more safe place as Eden was. Maybe
Where are we going? Are we going
I don't
somewhere?
know, but I think yeah, I think we should maybe.
Tech's basement. Oh,
I mean, it's the most safe place right now.
but Tech's
Yeah.
basement.
I think that's a great idea. He owes a lot to us, so yeah, it's the least thing he could do.
All these spices and things that repel the.
If he's not there, then okay, sure.
Yeah.
Sure
Okay.
thing.
Oh, port's okay.
Jesus Christ, there's stuff here too.
Yeah.
God. That's concerning.
Yeah, and look what's here. Shame. Shame on Tiffany. Shame on them. How could Ina charge so shameful?
Give me a second. I was not expecting those
You're
images.
laughing about
I was
mice.
not expecting those images. Holy
Okay.
shit.
Okay.
I was like, oh my god, is it like some lore image?
Shame.
Please kill Toma.
What the fuck?
Hi,
Why
I'm
do you
back.
want to kill me now?
So,
What is wrong with me? Yeah.
Right, your best friend. Yes, I get, but look at her.
what's happening?
What's
She looks
happening?
killable.
If
I
you're trying
am
to kill
not killable.
why?
I am
Ow.
not killable.
Ow, ow.
Do you think I look
She
killable?
does.
Is that why Edge left me?
Here,
Is it because I look
here,
killable?
Toma. Oh no, my lag.
Ow.
Ow, lag. Okay, come here, Toma.
Ow.
Come here, come here, come
Ow.
here.
Ow. Okay,
Like one
okay.
of
I
these,
won't.
one
I
of
won't.
these.
I won't
Okay,
kill her.
okay, okay.
Just
won't
in
kill her
case,
yet,
just in case,
okay?
just in case.
Thank you, thank you. But do you think I look killable? Is that why H left me?
No.
It's because I look killable. Do I look weak? Do I need to go to the gym? Start mewing? Okay, 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 I will.
What is
I will.
mewing?
You don't know what
What the
mewing
hell
is.
is mewing?
Yeah.
I fucking I can't. I can't.
How are we to watch this video?
I can't.
Let's
Okay,
go
I'm
watch the
gonna
video.
stay
No.
muted really quickly.
You already treat me badly when we're at
yep,
the nest.
I'm just not gonna.
Alright, I
So
won't kill her today. Ow!
What the fuck?
Domestic abuse.
Okay, I'm back.
Let's go watch the videos.
Where watching?
Let's go.
Oh, in here.
Tech owes us, so yes.
How does the call you? What did he?
Oh, he owes me a lot of things.
Oh. Maybe down. Look. Here we are pretty safe, I think.
Very crowded.
Here, but it's safe. And there's cock.
Alright, let's do it.
Where are you?
Here's perfect.
Oh,
Somewhere here. Here? Maybe here. No.
okay.
Somewhere?
Uh-huh.
Maybe dig a hole?
Dig a hole? Okay, where?
No, maybe here. Is that his shower?
Yeah, Tequila doesn't shower a lot, so the showering place looks a little bad. What? It's never bad to take a shower. Showering is very important. What? What do you mean? What? Oh, legs. Well, the legs is so late for me. I don't remember shit. Legs is 2 a.m. for me. Maybe
Who dares push me?
oh, there's push. Maybe
Did-
okay.
Did the chicken just push me and punch me?
Yeah, it did.
The-
Huh? Here? What?
Where? Here? No. What the fuck? Okay,
Okay, okay.
so Tech is clearly still living in a primitive
Yes.
stage.
Yes. That's what. Ah, sure. Yes. The basement.
Fuck.
Oh. Oof. Yeah. That's a pretty safe place, I think. Uy, qué awkward. Ay, uy. Ooh.
Just for
Yeah.
no.
Are you on Edge's side? What the fuck? Edge abused me. Edge hit me.
Regicide.
Why does that clip
You
word just
cleaned
say?
yourself up.
What? No. I am
That's
saying
what
that there's
regicide is.
Edge's side. Side of... Yes, let's go put the video.
Put a video here.
Alright.
You think?
What's the proper aspect ratio for this? What is this? Just 3. 3 blocks.
3 blocks, so we need to...
And maybe 2.5 for height, maybe? Yes. Perfect. Loop.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Wait a moment.
Let me know if you need help. Oh, that is just okay.
Do you see it very white as well?
Oh,
Edge's reception down here is terrible. He'd be ashamed of himself.
why is the link put in?
Someone keeps on putting in one of them.
Can I have the? Can I have like the link, please? Can I do it? No.
Uy.
Someone ban that bitch in my chat. Here, look. Someone ban this bitch from my chat. Oh, alright. Alright. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
or refusing whatever that thing took.
Oh, that motherfucker.
Staring into the camera.
Guys,
Doing exactly what
guys,
doing.
I think this is really bad timing, but I think I have to go back. If that's alright. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll just head back. I will get to that. I'll leave this for next time. So let me explain why I left. My ass needs to go do some schoolwork. Ooh. So yeah. I have performances this week and next week. I also need to go piss. I'm looking in a certain VC chat. I wonder who that's directed to. So anyway, yeah, very sorry that this has to be cut very short. I was hoping to potentially stay on a little longer. The videos that are going to be played will be available in what are we putting it in? Is it in egg announcements we're putting it? Yeah, they will be available soon. But you know, I just have to